You find peace not by rearranging the circumstances of your life, but by realizing who you are at the deepest level. Eckhart Tolle.
Do we ever really get to where we are going? Will we ever figure life out? Can power be found in whispers, or must my soul get up and shout? Guys. I want to show you guys my view. What's the view, guys? Isn't it beautiful? To just sit here in nature with the breeze blowing. That's it. It's my view. It's rest time. This tree here is over 50 years old. Crazy. You can hear the blackbirds chirping overhead. They're in the tree. I want to chalk it up and say they're either looking for blossoms or they're taking some delicious bites out of the custard apple.